cow!
You can see this cam plug was leaking pretty badly. Start by removing the airbox. It's one hose clamp, two 10mm bolts, and the MAF sensor. There is a grommet on the bottom that you'll have to tug up on the airbox to release. Remember, you're pulling the airbox off of two hoses. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding this bracket in place.
I'll undo this clip, and then I undid this guy from here. Push down and release. And just move it out of the way so that I can see that. Honda part number. And this is what it looks like. We're gonna have to get past this seal and through these little thingies.
Remember that the lines are horizontal. I used a long flathead screwdriver to create some space between the plug and the head. Then I used a pry bar to pop it out. Make sure that if you broke any of the plastic feet off, that you fish them out of the head, otherwise you'll need to take the valve cover off to find them. Clean the area really well. You should not have to put gasket maker on the new cam plug. The trick is to put pressure on each of the feet while you're holding consistent pressure on the whole thing. Make sure the lines are lined up, then press it all the way in. I cleaned off all the old oil so that I can see if it starts leaking again. Put this bracket back in. It does need to go in at a little bit of a downward angle to fit properly. Put the two 10mm bolts back in and torque them to 5 to 7 foot-pounds. Put your hose back on, reconnect your connector, and put the airbox back in.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.